What's going on, guys? I'm Alex and we're back with another video. As you guys may know, Amazon just recently had their Prime Day deals event just for a couple of days a few weeks ago, and that's the perfect time to get gifts or home goods or even tech products, and that's exactly what I did. So we've been wanting a robot vacuum in the place for a while now, and I thought Prime Day was the perfect time to pick one up. Obviously, we've got a lot of companies now that have their own robot vacuums, Shark, iRobot, and others. So I went with the Narwal. The Narwal Freo X Plus is a perfect blend of smart technology and convenience using the Narwal Freo app. The Narwal Freo is not just a vacuum, it's also a mop all-in-one. So it's a full cleaning system right there, and easy to use mobile device. With advanced sensors and cutting edge nav tech, it glides around the home and is able to kind of map your home pretty much effortlessly. Through the app, you can also see how it's doing in terms of mapping the home, and also when it's actually doing its cleaning, you can actually follow it through the app, so you can kind of know if it gets stuck or where it's at in the home, if you have pets or other things that you need to pick up. Now, we've only had it for a short time, but I can tell you in the time we've had it and we've ran it about 3 times a week so far, vacuum and then vacuum and mop. It's done a fantastic job keeping the floor clean. Really, it's only gotten stuck one time. That was just on a longer hair carpet that we have in one of the areas. So, but that's it. It was just an area rug actually. So that's it. Otherwise, it did its own thing. It navigated the rooms pretty seamlessly and made it back to the charging station to be emptied out for the next use. Now, as I mentioned before, with the app, you can schedule certain days for the Narwal Freo to do its own thing, whether you're home or not. And then also, you can also, like I said, track the progress of the vacuum, so that if you want to do a certain room or you want to do it the whole place, it can do that right from the app. You can control all of that stuff. Now, as I also mentioned, this vacuum is not just a vacuum, it is a mop. It does come with the mop pads, but it doesn't come with the mop for a cleaner. So you do have to pick up some cleaner. We picked ours up right from Target, I believe. So definitely go out and get you some cleaner if you're using that, but don't think it comes with it, because it does not. The other major thing about the robot vacuum sometimes can be the noise of the vacuums. Obviously, if they're running automatically on a schedule when you're asleep or you're doing something in the office, whatever the case is, a lot of times they'll automatically go for it, and then a lot of times you'll hear them if they're too loud. The good thing about the Narwal Freo X Plus is it's not loud at all. So all in all, the Narwal Freo X Plus vacuum / mop has been a great cleaning agent for us, a good cleaning partner. Obviously, with the scheduled tasks, it gets a lot easier, so we don't have to remember to do it, the days that we want to have it done. So it's a great way to just have seamless cleaning throughout the weeks, so that you don't have to do it yourself all the time. Obviously, there's some spots that we have a manual vacuum for, or areas of the home that it doesn't go to, but overall it hits 90-95% of the spaces that we want it to. So the main areas are hit with the Narwal Freo. But that'll do it for today's video, guys. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have a robot vacuum or favorite robot vacuum that you guys like or prefer over the Narwal Freo. This is kind of a newer model, or not newer model, but newer company in terms of the robot vacuums. They've been out for a couple years, but not as long as iRobot, and I think Shark is older than them too. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of the Narwal Freos. There's a bunch of different models in the Narwal system. So without further ado, we'll see you on the next one. Peace.